Hey everyone! Today we're making a simple yet incredibly flavorful miso marinated salmon. That's perfect for your next weeknight dinner or an elevated date night meal. The miso marinade yields perfectly tender and juicy salmon every time. It's sweet, savory, and has a deep umami flavor. And all you need is 5 simple ingredients. Let's get started. For the marinade, you will need 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of mirin, 1/4 cup of sake, and 1/3 cup of white miso paste. In a small pot over medium heat, add the mirin and sake, and bring it to a simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. This will cook out all of the alcohol. Then lower the heat to low and add the miso paste and brown sugar. Keep mixing until there are no more clumps and you have a nice, smooth consistency. Then remove the marinade from the heat and set it aside to cool until it is room temperature. With only 5 ingredients in this recipe, the quality of each ingredient is super important, which is why I'm using Atlantic Salmon from Mowi, who is sponsoring today's video. Mowi is all about freshness. It's never frozen, which means you get that rich, buttery texture and incredible taste every time. Plus, it comes in convenient packages, so whether you're cooking for one or feeding a crowd, there's a size that works for you. And you can find Mowi on Amazon, Instacart, and Target, so getting premium quality salmon has never been easier. Place the 2 salmon fillets into a resealable bag and pour in the cooled marinade. Gently spread the marinade over the fillets until they are completely covered. Then place the bag onto a plate or a tray and place in the refrigerator to marinate for at least 24 hours. The next day, preheat your oven to the broil setting. Remove the salmon from the refrigerator and bring it to room temperature for 15 minutes. Now is the perfect time to toss together a quick vegetable side. I'll be making a Japanese cucumber salad that is light, crisp, and tangy. Salt the sliced cucumber and set it aside. Then combine sugar, rice vinegar, soy sauce, and toasted sesame seeds for the easy dressing. After a few minutes, rinse off the cucumbers and squeeze out any excess moisture. Finally, add the dressing and toss until combined. This cucumber salad is bright and refreshing, which perfectly complements the deep umami flavors of the miso. Remove the salmon from the Ziploc bag and place onto an aluminum-lined baking sheet a few inches apart. Broil the salmon on the center rack for 8 to 9 minutes or until the edges are lightly charred. Look at this perfectly caramelized salmon that is packed with so much flavor. Serve this with the cucumber salad and steamed jasmine rice for a restaurant quality meal at home. The fresh salmon makes all the difference. If you haven't tried Mowi salmon yet, this is your sign to grab some today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. I'll see you in the next video.